Alright guys, we're gonna check out the Cynosa Chrome Razer multicolored gaming keyboard. It's the back. You see gaming grade keys, spill resistant, durable design, individual programmable backlight keys. So it works with the Razer Chroma software. As you guys can see right here. Let's see, I can show you. It's probably a little bright. It's dark in here, so sorry. But let's open it. Alright, I got my knife now. Let's open it up. So, way I'm gonna open it. As you guys can see, it's sealed right here. There's these pull tabs, but I just don't feel like pulling them because sometimes they just don't work. There we go. Alright, let's flip it over. Face it towards you guys. Whoa. Alright, so it comes wrapped in this plastic, which keeps the keys pretty well clean. So you just pull it up. Be careful with this keyboard. Alright, put this to the side right now. Let's keep looking inside what's inside the box. So it's just this, and I guess the instruction manual. So check this out. Put this to the side. Alright, so what we get in here is I guess a manual. So it just comes with the product requirements, blah blah blah, USB ports, and congratulations and welcome to the next level of gaming domination. Just saying thank you from the community of Razer. And I know it comes with stickers, so if you guys wondering, they do come with stickers. They're like reflective. Like, they're pretty good stickers. I have used some of my other stickers. They're pretty good. Alright, let's get to the keyboard now. So, one thing I really like about this keyboard is they come wrapped. And they have this reusable wrap. It's not Velcro, which I freaking love. I sometimes don't even like using the Velcros. I have some on my my mic stand thing, and it's annoying. They just stick to my clothes, to blankets, everything. So it comes covered. They're wrapped, and this cord is pretty long. It's like how many feet? I'll say like around less than 6 feet. Pretty long. I mean, whose computer's gonna be like 6 feet or farther? So the keyboard. I'll unwrap it right now. Give me a second. Let's wrap the room. So you open it from the top, the back on the top. Oh. Alright, there we go. Just slide it out before it gets heavy. There we go. Put this to the side. And it's a pretty nice keyboard. Look. It's not no mechanical keys. These are like the portable Razer keyboards. Let me bring another keyboard that's a little bit louder. These are good for streaming, recording, etc. Let me bring my other keyboard so I can show you the difference. So this is the other keyboard that I have. Tell the difference, watch. So this is a TT Esports by Thermaltake. It's their, I think their Nucker 4-in-1. This was just a keyboard that was like affordable at the moment. So basically, this keyboard costs like everything that came with that one. But I only used the keyboard because I already had headphones and a mice. So I could show you the difference again. It's quieter, way quieter. Great for streaming. But let's get this out of the way, because you guys didn't know, I already have one right here. So this is it. Just because I have a, should focus? There we go. It's probably a little bright. Let me turn off the light. So the keyboard, the Razer logo lights up. If you press the FN button, it lets you use like different options, like control the volume right here, over here, like mute. This one's bad, like when you're listening to music, go back, pause, forward. I still don't know what these do, so I'm sorry if I can't tell you what they do. If you buy the keyboard, I'm pretty sure it'll tell you in the manual, or you could I'm pretty sure it'll tell you in the manual. But so these two right here are for your brightness on your keyboard. So you see how bright it is right now. Put it down. It went down. And then I put it all the way up. Got brighter. And then still, I think this puts your computer to sleep. I was about to say I didn't know. And then when you press your caps button, they light up. Alright. I still don't know what these two do, but yeah. If you're trying to get a keyboard that's affordable, brand, has warranty, and this takes up to 80 million, I think, key presses, like, still be good. But as you see, it works with the Razer Chroma, so you can see my mouse. They're both in sync, and it just it's easy to use software. You download it, and it gets you all set ASAP. It's pretty easy to use. You just have to have patience, but yeah, this is the Razer Cynosa Chroma, and you could make it however you want the keycaps, so they're each programmable, and you could have them like cycle, like they could be like RGB, like fully like red, green, blue, yellow, orange, pink, purple. But I like to have mine basic, because well, it looks nice to me like that. I don't like having all flashy colors while I play. It gets me a little distracted. Like, I know this is like a little flashy, but it's not that much. So it's more distracting when I have a keyboard and mouse and my headphones too. I'll show you them. They're those are the I think they're called Kraken Razer headphones. But yeah, if you're looking for a cheap, affordable, branded Razer keyboard, I recommend this. It's great for gaming, easy to use, has RGBs, programmable. For example, you could just like light up WASD if you want to. I know they have the version 2 already, but if you don't want to spend so much money and you can find this one for cheap, used, or whatever, get it. Just get it. It's an amazing keyboard, affordable, great. It's probably one of the best keyboards I have used and most quietest. And it's best for my streaming and for whatever I do. Alright guys, that's it. Review of Cynosa keyboard. I'll give it a 9 out of 10. I recommend. If you want to check it out, check the link down below. And if you want, you could check down my link to my Twitch, my Instagram, and my Twitter down below in the link. And Yeah. All right. Peace out, guys.